अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। हमेशा लोग हमें कहते हैं मेगा सक्सेस वाले औरतों के लिए कुछ नहीं लेके आते, तो एक ज़बरदस्त जो है टेक्नोलॉजी आपके लिए लेके आए हैं। वी हैव गैबी हियर एंड गैबी इज़ गोना गिव अस अ डेमो। इसमें है क्या, मशीन में आप कैमरे में देख के स्क्रीन पे देख के आप जो है ना मेकअप कर सकते हो। सो गैबी, कैन यू गिव अस अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हाउ यू यूज़ इट?
Yes, absolutely. So we have the We Shop makeup thing here, and what you do, you show your face over here, and there's certain amount of different cosmetics, like for your lips, eyes, blush, face, foundation, and you choose to what suits your face. So basically the idea of it is, if you're in a shop and you wanted a lipstick, you didn't know what colour really suited you, you'd have a little look here and you'd know of all the different shades that they have, and you could test which one suits you on your face. Obviously I've got a mask on, that's a bit dark.
So it's a real time, actually we can see you got dark lipstick now.
Dark lipstick on, and then if I change it here, a lighter one, a red, and so on, and you can do the same with your eyes. So it's basically, it's like an interactive way of just checking what would suit your face, what product.
Really nice talking to you, and this is brilliant. I mean, well, you can buy this. Is it a gadget or is it the brand you're selling?
No, so this is separate, but this is just an activation to give you an example. So, for instance, if I wanted to choose a blusher, instead of actually having to apply it on myself and use my hands and, germs and stuff, especially with COVID and everything going on, you've got a way of doing it and checking out the product interactively without having to touch it.
Really appreciate this. Thank you very much. इस टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या कर सकते हैं, आपको मेकअप अपने हाथों पर या फेस पर लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं। आप कैमरा के सामने बैठते हो, आप उसको रियल टाइम में देख सकते हो कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कैसे लगेगी। तो बहुत अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी है। अगर कोई ख़वातीन इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि इसको हम पाकिस्तान में लेके आएँ तो हमसे रब्ता करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।